Hello student, this is Tushar from Genius Print Education. So how are you all? Today I am going to discuss some sample question for senior levels, that means BVM examination 2020, some of the sample questions. So these are for senior level. So before I will begin, that means I will request all of you to subscribe my channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get our entire notification, and also follow our Instagram channel so that you can get that means whatever query you have, you can write here and I will try to solve these things or give you answer. So let's start for today's sessions. In these sessions I will discuss 10 important questions which are basically asked in BVM examinations. Enjoy these sessions. Let's start. Question number 1. Number of molecules in 32 grams of the oxygen is. We have to find the number of molecules in 32 grams of oxygen. See, mole number. All of you have learned how to find this mole number. In oxygen, number of mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. See, it is not only for oxygen, it is carbon, for all, that means elements that are available in our earth. So it is also called this Avogadro number, and we all know that what is Avogadro number and it is for what elements. So in that particular questions our answer should be option number what? B. Yes, option number B. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. They gave only 6.02, so I think it is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so this is question number 1, and now question number 2. Milk of magnesia is dash types of colloid. Milk of magnesia is dash type of colloid. See, milk of magnesia, which is also called MgOH whole 2. Here a solid is mixed with water. Where a solid is mixes with water to make this colloid, these are called the sol. Sol means solid, SOL. Sol means what? Solid in liquid. Solid in what? Liquid. So yes, it is option number C is correct. So 2, option number C. Now it is question number 3. Here MgOH whole 2. I will not discuss these questions in details in that sessions. So basically I will try to solve this important questions here. So if you want to that means get this details explanations of this question, then you can write in the comment box, then I will discuss these things in details. Okay, so question number 3. AIDS can be transmitted by dash. AIDS can be, all of you, AIDS, AIDS. AIDS is a disease whose full form is what? Full form is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is sexually transmitted disease. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, whose virus name is HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. So it is a sexually transmitted disease. So our option says that yes, sexual contact. Option number B is correct. Now it is question number 4. The country in which world first oil paintings have been found. See, the country where the first oil painting was found is Afghanistan. It is answer option number D. It is Afghanistan. So what will be the answer? Afghanistan. Afghanistan is the first country where we got this first oil painting. So now question number 5. Who is India's first woman Director General of Police? That means we have to say the name of the woman who is the first Director General of Police from India. It is answer Kanchan Chandra Chaudhary Bhattacharya or Bhattacharya. It is option number A is correct. That is, her full name is Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. Okay. And question number 6 is, GMRT is a very well known facility in India. It is related with what? GMRT. Okay, GMRT. First of all, guess what is these things. You have to guess. GMRT is it's a giant meter wave radio telescope. It's in radio telescope systems, but giant meter wave radio telescope is the full form of it. Now from this full form I can guess that giant meter wave radio telescope. So it's a one kind of radio telescope. So it is, I think, option number, yes, radio astronomy. So option D is correct. So from question number, option D is correct. Question number 6, this option D is correct. Now question number 7. The iron pillars of Delhi is famous for its what? All of you know that iron pillar, all of you know. Now first of all, guess what is these things made up of? Iron pillar is made up of iron, definitely. It is 99% is iron, but one interesting thing is that also it is 99% iron, then also it is not rusted. It is one kind of metallurgical property. So question says that iron pillars of Delhi is famous for its what? Is famous for its, yes, metallurgical properties. That is option number B is correct. Metallurgical properties. So it is question number 7. Now it is question number 8. 8 says that the developmental stage between this egg and adult frog is. Developmental stage of egg and adult frog. See, first of all, we know that important stages of this frog, that means from where this egg it started, is that tadpole is very important stage. So larva is also another important stage. So questions, options, you have to say first of all options. What is options? Maybe it's correct regarding this question. So it is for option is, first option is fish like larva. Option B says that cocoon. So cocoon is not the answer because cocoon is related to different moth, etc. Option C is, says that it's a caterpillar. That's also not regarding this. And option D says that worm like body. No, it's not worm like body. So our option number A, that is fish like larva, would be the correct answer of it. So question number 8 is option A, fish like larva. So question number 9 says that which country conducted nuclear test could name Garbois Blue in the year 1960. That is in 1960, which country conducted a nuclear test whose name was the Garbois Blue. So option number A, that is France is the correct answer. Option A, France. France in 1960 they tested the nuclear test which was known as the Garbois Blue. So now question number 10, today's last questions. What is kinesiology? Yes, very important word, kinesiology. Kinesiology. What is kinesiology? See, option number 1 is study of kinetics is not kinesiology. Option number 2 is auto of this kinematics, that's not also. Option number C is study mechanics of body movement. Yes, it is the correct answer. That is option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer, which is called the study of mechanics of the body movement. That is kinesiology is the study of body movement. So here I have discussed 10 important questions for our BBM exams, which are will be conducted in 2020. I will request all of you to subscribe this channel so that you can get more such types of questions, and also like our video. Okay, so for today it is up to now. So thank you all.